Hello everybody, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today's video, we are going to show you how to change your name on Google Meet. To start this tutorial, open meet.google.com in your internet browser. Make sure you have joined a link, or a meeting in this case. Once you are in your meeting, it only says you in your own screen. Now what you're going to do right now is go to another tab and then search for Google account. Once you're done, hit enter for it to search. Once it finishes searching, open the first link that shows Google account over at www.google.com. Open this in another tab. Now wait for the other tab to finish loading. Once your tab already loads, you will see your Google account in this window. What we're going to do now is we are going to make sure that we logged into our Google account. Just hit refresh for it to log in. In here, we're going to go to Home, click on the button this time, and then go to Personal Info. Once in Personal Info, here is our name. Just tap on it. Click the arrow for the drop-down. In here, we can change our name by clicking on the pencil icon, and you can change it to any name that you want to use. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and while you're at it, please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment as well. Don't forget to click save.